One day on Sir Topham Hatt's Railway, they had gotten a new engine. His name was Tom. He had square wooden buffers. He was painted black. He was driving with one of the most famous Thomas and Friends drivers, and he was one of the fastest and one of the slowest engines. But he can go 80 kilometers and miles per hour. Look at this. It's about to carry all these trucks. It's a strong engine. He's kind of like Duck, but with square buffers and a different face detail. Well, thank you, Sir Topham Hatt, for giving me a chance to be a railway engine.